Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again to the channel. First of all, you should know that in order for you to first of all transfer money from your Opay or any bank account into this your Pocketmoni app by eTranzact, you have to know that the money you're going to be transferring to your eTranzact bank account or to your Pocketmoni is going to be on eTransfer or eTranzact. You're going to be sending money to your eTranzact account, and any money that you are sending to your eTranzact bank account is going to be reflecting automatically into your Pocketmoni. Why is it so? It is so because Pocketmoni is a parent, or Pocketmoni is a direct company that is owned and operated by eTranzact. That is why it is so. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer that money from your Opay right into your Pocketmoni. All right. Remember, like I said, if you're going to be transferring money to this Pocketmoni from any bank account of your choice, you have to ensure that you're sending the money to eTranzact. eTranzact is going to be delivering that money automatically into this wallet, this Pocketmoni digital wallet or digital app. I hope that is clear enough. Now you can see this email right here that I got. This email said, "Congratulations, your account has been successfully created and active." Now, this is the email that was sent to me after I created my Pocketmoni digital wallet app. Now, this is the bank name that has been created for me. Only this alone shows that this eTranzact, you should be able to know that this eTranzact is in direct partnership with the Pocketmoni. So any transfer that you are doing into your eTranzact account from anywhere in the world or from any bank at all is gonna be, you're gonna be sending that money directly into your Pocketmoni. All right, so this is the email that will be sent to you in case you as well open a Pocketmoni app. This email is gonna be sent to you that your bank name is now gonna be eTranzact, and you can see your account name here that you use in creating your Pocketmoni is reflecting on the eTranzact bank as your name, and then this is the account number that you selected or that I selected during my registration on Pocketmoni. This is the same thing that I'm gonna be using throughout my transaction on eTranzact. I hope this is clear enough. So now you can see here the Pocketmoni team. This is a mail from the Pocketmoni team. All right. So now let us go to the Opay while I show you how to transfer money directly to your Pocketmoni. To transfer, in order for you to transfer, you have to select here where you have to bank. You click on it. Now after clicking on it, it is going to demand that you insert the digital number. Just go ahead and insert those digital, your Pocketmoni account number that was given to you when you created the app. That's going to be your eTranzact bank account automatically. Okay, so you type that number right here. Now you type it 8062301765. Now as soon as you type that number right here, normally you can see this eTranzact will not show, because normally it will not show. It's going to show just any other bank that you've used this number to create before. Now while it's showing this eTranzact is because I initially sent some little money to the wallet. That is why it's now showing this eTranzact, but normally it will not show. Okay, now as soon as it shows up this, it will not show initially. Normally it will not show the eTranzact bankers at first. So what you have to do is to just tap on this little star right here. You tap on it. Oh, okay. You tap on this next. You type on this next. Now you have to search for the bank. All right, the search button is going to show right here where you can search for your bank. Just go ahead and search for your bank right here. Type the name of the bank that you want to search right here. Now I want to search eTranzact. It's gonna just hold on for a little while. It's gonna pop up. Here you can see eTranzact. This is the bank that you're gonna be selecting. Okay, You tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, just go ahead and select next. Now you can see here that the eTranzact has shown, and here is my name. So go ahead and tap next. As soon as you type down next, this is your details. This is my details. You can see here that the name has shown. The bank name is eTranzact. All right. Like I said, the bank name is eTranzact. This money, any money that I'm transferring here is going to be reflecting directly in my Pocketmoni app. Don't forget that. So this is my account. I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. And then as soon as I click on confirm, I'll select the amount that I want to be sending. Then after selecting the amount, you type the narration, any narration of your choice, then go ahead and click on confirm. Then you are good to go. The money is going to be sent automatically into your Pocketmoni app via the eTranzact. All right. So if you have any other question, leave them at the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.